tenet is you've got to control the narrative. If you grow cannabis and some entity out there saying, well, that's a gateway drug and it's potheads and yada yada yada, then focus on something else it does, right? You can clean your toilet with Coca-Cola. So if tomorrow the Journal of American Medicine said, look, soda is killing every goddamn body. Soda companies would come out and say, yeah, but did you know you clean your toilet with it? Control the narrative of your product and work around what the impediment is narrative-wise. I guess what I'm trying to say through these examples is, listen, if you're going to come out here and get in business and sell something, you've got to get dynamic with your thought process. You've got to protect what you have, and on occasion you're going to have to go on the attack, and you're going to have to control the narrative. This is a dynamic game. You can't just sit back and do anything, because either you're going to be barely making a living or someone's going to take your stuff.